Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. US markets closed slightly lower, and that is okay because for the last few days, I think for the last 5-6 straight trading sessions, markets were moving higher. And Nasdaq 100, I remember seeing Nasdaq 100 future below 14,200, and now it has come above 16,000. And yesterday it corrected a little bit. There were two reasons. The markets were jittery because of this Fed minutes. I think yesterday I've given some wrong information. I thought the Fed minutes is tonight, but it was yesterday night. So the markets were jittery, but as I told you, this minutes is a minute of the last meeting. After the last meeting, there are many things that has happened that's favorable to the stock market. So that's why, although the Fed minutes was not really favorable to the market, they were talking about the restrictive policy, but the markets, it was volatile, but within a very small range. At the end of the day, after shooting up more than 400 points, S&P 500, I think did not even fall 20 points. So, after shooting up 10%, it did not even fall 0.5%. So that is the kind of effect the Fed minutes. So that is what I also expected. So that is what I also told you. Okay, that was one thing. Second thing, I said, NVDA results is more important than Fed minutes. After the market close, so NVDA results came. But NVDA, it already hit all-time high day before yesterday. And yesterday, along with the market, it corrected a little bit, not much. The results beat the estimates, both in terms of revenue and earnings per share. But still, US markets are flat. US futures are flat, not very big positive or very big negative. That's because, the positivity has already been factored in, because NVDA shot up nearly 300% in last 1 year, right? So, in a way we can say one negative thing, Fed minutes, which was already factored in, one positive thing in NVIDIA, that is also been factored in. So, because of that, the US markets did not react much. Same thing goes with the Asian markets. So, Asian markets are also not reacting. Some of them flat with a positive bias, some of them flat with a negative bias. So there is not much movement there. And GIFT Nifty is again the same thing. It's indicating 15-20 point higher, and I do not know is it very accurate. That's because yesterday the HDFC Bank ADR was higher, but it is higher significantly, I think more than 1%. And ICICI Bank ADR was higher, but Infosys ADR was down. Why Infosys ADR is down? That's because yesterday evening the news broke out that TCS may be setting aside 125 million for the lawsuit, US lawsuit against TCS. And yesterday, in fact, for the last few days, it was the IT stocks that was leading the rally. So yesterday also, TCS hit the swing high yesterday and then started falling. I think yesterday intraday, though intraday there was no much of sell-off in Nifty or Bank Nifty, but TCS has fallen nearly more than 30 points. So that is indicated already something is brewing up in TCS. So this is where, the technical people come in, something happens, some informed people buy or sell, you will get the news later, but it will reflect in the chart. So I'm coming to Mumbai this week. So there's a workshop in Mumbai. So if you want to participate, you can contact our office. So there I'll be talking on some technical analysis. So, today banks are likely to do well. IT led by TCS may not do well. But again, there was another news that says, Wipro is tying up with NVDA for the artificial intelligence. So therefore even the IT may be a mixed bag, but TCS and Infosys has the higher weightage than other IT stocks. So therefore, the lawsuit news about TCS and Infosys ADR falling, so they both are not good for IT sector in general. So today with banks being good and IT being bad, and at the end of the day, I always say three rowdy stories. Now the third rowdy, Reliance Industry, going to join the bulls or going to join the bears. But yesterday itself, Reliance has done a remarkable job. Now I think Reliance has almost shot up 50-60 rupees from recent low. So whether the market is going to be positive or negative, it mostly depends upon Reliance today. So looking at the open interest, I told you already, in the markets, in a bull market, market will come down, will make people bearish, and they will sell more call options, then again market will shoot up. So yesterday that's what has happened. Previous 2 days fell, yesterday moved higher. So there was some unwinding in the at the money or slightly in the money call options. So, but however, 19,800 call option has the highest open interest. So that's the immediate resistance we can say. But if the people have sold 19,800 call option yesterday or day before yesterday, even today if it closes at 19,800 also, because of time value, these people will be able to make some money, or they would have had some corresponding positions on the put side. So what these people call strangle. So therefore it's no point in studying the open interest very close to the expiry. Okay, so at least few weeks before expiry, the open interest makes sense. So as far as the monthly is concerned, it's at 20,000. Okay, so 20,000 looks achievable going by the global things and other things. But again, it all depends how the large caps are going to perform. So it's going to be very interesting day today. So yesterday, though Bank Nifty started with a bank 200-point gap up, but that was sold into, and finally it was almost flat, so there was no meaningful recovery. And in the recently, that is since last Friday, the Bank Nifty has fallen I think about 500 to 600 points already. So at least half of that, at least a 300 point. So the Bank Nifty should recover. So that should contribute about 100 to 150 points for Nifty. Then with the other stocks like IT, Reliance, Auto, other stocks doing well. So if Nifty moves another 100 to 150 points, so we can hope for a target of 20,000. And then next series will be, the first trading, second trading session itself, 5 state elections, and then it will take the course. So there is no reason to be bearish. Okay, and still 19,500 support should be holding at least for next few days. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.